talk about that what is nutrition, students. So first you have to understand this thing, that what is nutrition and what is a nutrient. Actually, a nutrient is a substance which is required by your body for proper functioning of the cells in the form of vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, lipids, fatty acids, and many more things. Now, there is an example. Your mother force you to eat each and every kind of food. Okay, and if you are non-vegetarian, then you are taking in meat, beef, eggs, fish also. So, these contains proper amount of proteins in them, and these proteins forms the building blocks of your body. So, the proteins are really important for your body as they consist of amino acids, and amino acids forms proteins. That is the function of ribosome, which we will learn further in the cellular part. Okay, students, so you have to understand this thing, that first thing I am going to tell is what is nutrition about. Okay, so first we have to see the definition of nutrition over here. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is a process of intake of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and water also. So do you think so, students? Water is also a nutrient. Actually, water is the source for each and every kind of cell functioning because it contains H2O, and our body requires the oxygen as well as hydrogen also that comes from water. So, it is counted in the nutrient part. Okay, so nutrition is a process of intake of all these things like carbohydrates, which we get from fruits and vegetables. In mainly vegetables like potato, many kind of carbohydrates are present. Okay, if you are eating rice, then you are consuming starch. That is also the form of carbohydrates. Okay, now we are going to talk about fats. We occupy fats from usually oils. Okay, if you are eating more amount of non-veg material, then it also consists of some fatty acids. But the oil which you are eating contain many kind of fatty acids which are also essential for our body, but they create obesity also if they are taken in larger amount. Okay, now we talk about proteins. So proteins are usually gathered from the non-veg material. Maybe it be a beef, chicken, or anything else. And if we talk about the vegetarian food, then through vegetarian food, the protein is taken from pulses and cereals. Okay, now minerals, vitamins, and water. So minerals and vitamins we gather from the dry fruits as well as the fruits. The variety of fruits which we are eating contains many kind of vitamins and minerals as well. Okay, by an organism as well as utilization of these nutrients by the organism. Now, what happens, students, when we are intaking the food? What happens? It just breaks down inside our body. Means the complex material which is going inside our body breaks down into simpler substances, and then it is utilized by our cells for the proper functioning of our body. So for an example, if you are doing gymming or any kind of sport activity, then you require higher amount of protein. Then what you will do? You will eat eggs, you will eat the pulses or cereals. Okay, you will eat fruits also for the proper functioning of the body and development of muscles. Okay, so this is all about nutrition.